Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S2. Start by going into Play Store on both devices, tapping on the search bar and typing in Send Anywhere. Now install this app from this developer and open it. From this screen over here, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on Samsung. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select Send on an Android and Receive on Samsung. Following that, choose all of those dots and tap on Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a while though, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on Samsung, choosing Allow and pointing device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and tap on Receive, then wait. And now as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!